right in this door handle pocket here, there's a cover on the bottom. Remove that. Then you'll see two T30 bolts. Remove both of those. Okay. Now you can pull up on the back here. This will pop out. Flip it over. You can see the mirror switch right here. Let's disconnect these just so it can be easier to maneuver this whole thing around. Now you can flip it over. You see the connector for the mirror switch. Press on the tab and remove it. And to remove this mirror switch, you can actually just pry out on the sides here. You see these two tabs, that's what locks it in. You can use a pocket screwdriver or a pick like I'm using. Whatever you have to pry these out and unlock it. There we go. Here's your old mirror switch. Take the new one, position it the right direction, press it on, make sure it locks into place. There we go, that's secure. Let's reconnect everything. Mirror switch. This and this. Now to put this back in, there's a little hook on the front. You want to slide that down and in first, then press this down. Let's get the two T30 Torx bolts back. Snug them up. Perfect, and don't forget about that little plastic cover to cover the bolts. Press it down. Awesome.